Okay, so a little bit of rounding here then. So round the following numbers correct to 2 decimal places. We always count from our decimal point. Here is the first, here is the second, and I always draw a line after the second. I then look at the next number, and is it 5 or above? If it is 5 or above, I need to move this one up one. This is 4, so it's not. So it's going to be 0.68. Correct then the 2 decimal places. Let's take a look at part B. Count from the decimal point. 1, 2. Draw a line after this one. Is this number here 5 or above? It is. So I need to move this one up one. So it gives me 0.86. Give the following numbers correct to the nearest whole number. So the whole number appears in just at the decimal point. Draw a line here. Is this 5 or above? It is. So I need to move this one up one. So it's going to be 16. Nearest whole number again. Draw my line here. Is this 5 or above? It's not. So the answer then is going to be 96. Calculate the following, giving your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So we can do that. We've been working on this. So 4 divided by 0.856. I think I might go, okay. 4 into 8 goes 2 times. 4 into 5 goes 1 time. And there is 1 left over. So it's 4. So 0.856 divided by 4 equals 2 decimal places. There's the first, there's the second. Is that number 5 or above? It's not. So we keep that as 0.21. And that then is the 2 decimal places. 4.78 divided by 8. I'll add a couple of zeros just in case we need them. 8 into 4 doesn't go. 8 into 47 goes 5 times, and 7 left over. 8 into 78 goes 9 times, and 6 left over, and this is a good one. 8 into 60 goes 7 times, and 4 left over. 8 into 40 goes 5 times. We're asked to give this into 2 decimal places. First decimal place, second decimal place. I draw my line here. Is this 5 or above? It is. So we move this one up one. This is quite awkward then. 9 moved up one, then goes to 10. So we actually then change to 0.60. So 0.60. I know that's only the 1 decimal place, but it's the only way then we can give that. So 0.60 is our answer then, officially, the 2 decimal places.